this will be the last video I'd film of our LuxAire or door unit. It will be replaced with a brand new one. This was installed way before we moved in this house. It served its purpose for 6 years for us, and our purpose for 6 years. The new unit, they say, is going to be installed a little bit towards the front of the house. I don't know where, but it's obviously overgrown back here. That's the only thing I don't get. Like, why is it so overgrown here? And why is there limited access? That's the only thing I don't get, though, is like they literally installed it towards the back of the thing. And I also just noticed there is no filter dryer. What is wrong with people not putting a filter dryer in 2010, 2009 or 2010? And the worst part is about how much horrible space this thing gets. Space to work around the unit. And that compressor is pretty annoying. I guess that's okay. I don't know. And that sound is probably the reciprocating compressor running as well. Because the reciprocating is pretty loud. Louder than a scroll compressor. A scroll compressor doesn't sound like this. Sadly, there is no nameplate on this thing. I've never seen a nameplate on it. Yeah, there's no nameplate on it whatsoever. It's missing the nameplate on it. So, that's too bad. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Let's go ahead and check out the furnace. Stay tuned. And here is our LuxAire. If you probably remember the short I made a while ago. This is a propane furnace, which I don't know why I keep laughing at that, but pretty much see serviced. It looked like it was serviced back in, I don't know why it's just the last time it was serviced. That was the last service date, August 2nd, 2019. That's literally 6 years ago. And that was literally like maybe 2 months or 3 months before we moved here. Quite nice. This is going to be a bathroom eventually. This was probably it's not finished yet, but it will be finished pretty soon. So all this is going to be a shower. There's going to be a shower. It's going to be a toilet, shower. There's going to be a sink. That faucet's going to be replaced, but that vanity won't. All of this will be a bathroom someday, and this whole thing will be a wall, and there will be a door. Probably happen when pigs fly. Yeah, so pretty good. It's a pretty good furnace. So I mean, it lasted 15 years. But yeah. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it. Here's the humidifier. In case you probably know what that is. It's the air humidifier, which works in the winter time. There is the switch in case you want to switch off the furnace. Sad there is no model number information on the side of the furnace. I'm assuming it's 2010. You would think it would be in the back, right? I don't see anything. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for y'all. Thanks for watching, and yeah. See you when we get the new unit installed. So, yeah. Had a good run. That's for sure. It's kind of interesting. You can actually hear the unit through the wall here. It's quite interesting. There's the refrigerant line for it. Hang on, what's wrong right here? There you go. Yeah, you can hear the unit from here. It's quite cool, but that's the refrigerant line. Goes all the way to the furnace. I don't know why they put the unit all the way over here. They're definitely gonna be moving the unit somewhere a little towards, I don't know, it's hard to say, but very interesting in my opinion. So yeah. Anyways, thanks again for watching.